arguing on Telegrams and they're arguing on Discords. Everybody wants to be the TA hero. But many of these heroes I did not see play in this 50K area. You know, that was an easy play. First off, I'd like to start this video with letting anyone who follows me, subscribers or not, I'd like to let y'all know that there are just too many hype clowns out there. People that shield altcoins when Bitcoin is just dumping, dragging the whole crypto market down. These people are getting kickbacks from projects. They're charging you for their exclusive TA groups, but they never give any real trades showing their entries on the charts on the exchanges. Once again, I've said this so many times in previous videos. I'm not nosy. I don't care how much money you're trading with. You don't have to show how much money you're trading with. Show your entries on the chart. You have this powerful TA that you're trying to charge people high amounts of money for, so you can get into your more exclusive private groups to learn trade entries and trade ideas. But you never follow through with showing that you actually took the fucking trades that you posted on YouTube for all the little noob people to see. You make a TA, claim to be a TA pro, but then you won't show that you follow through with your trade. That's what separates me from them. So this is going to be a short video because Bitcoin's price action is coming up to a crucial area of resistance at this order block around 62K. There's been a lot of argument, hypes, discussion, as this is a key area. I'd say about 3 videos back, I used 62K as an area of support. It was an order block. We fell below it, and now it's acting as a point of resistance. So 62K has been a very important area. Right now we're on the 4-hour time frame, and this will be my 3rd video since I played 50K and then again in the 55K area. I played both of these areas, went long. I'm focusing on longs. I gave those order blocks on a smaller time frame of where to play that week of us going down to 50K. I warned that we could make a higher low on the 4-hour chart. Then I dropped down and made a video on 1-hour order blocks, which we bounced from. So right now we're in no man's land once again. And just like yesterday's video, there's not a lot to say. Volume picked up in this area. We had a volume spike. Caused this pump right here where my cursor is, 2%. And then volume declined again. This is just what Bitcoin has been doing. Just follow where my cursor is. This candle, large volume candle, then boom, volume drops off. Goes to crap. Then it happens again. This is all it is, a series of random volume spikes. There's no consistency. And if you want to look at it on the daily time frame, the volume divergences is what has me skeptical, and this is why I always take profits and trade level by level, piece by piece. We keep on having volume divergences as we get to the key resistance areas. And overall volume, you can go look at my YouTube thumbnails. My previous videos, I have at least 2 or 3 videos that shows specifically volume divergences and why price always shoots back down after we come up to areas like 70 to 72K, and right now 62K. So I need to see 62K broken. I think it was August 8th. Let's see here. Yeah, August 8th. The high right here was 62,714. So right here. We need daily closures above this. We have the daily time frame Bollinger Bands. These are going to contract soon. The Bollinger Bands contract. That means volatility is going up. So we're either going to shoot up hard Go back up to these higher time frame order blocks or come back down. Here's the bottom of the daily Bollinger Band, which we caught a big wick from last time. I say red wicks get filled. So this one, trading rules, 50% wick fill, or it just gets totally filled and we go down to the order blocks around 40 to 44K. But right now, as I said before, this is kind of like no man's land. I made previous videos about this too. 62K to 50K. This is the range that we're in. I'm just drawing this rectangle. I usually just use these rectangles for order blocks. I don't want anybody to get confused. But this is, let's just use this as a hypothetical range right now. We'll take the middle of this. Everyone was fighting and arguing and debating, because they were scared when Bitcoin was in this area right here, about halfway through this range. Now we're going up to test the top of this range. We never fell below. This is where a lot of people got wrecked. They didn't know whether to go long or short, which is hard. Volume is ugly, as I just showed. So will we break this range, or will we get rejected and get another wick off of this top of this Bollinger Band, if we even make it there? Will this Bollinger Band come down? I've been noticing Bitcoin will pump after the U.S. markets close. Bitcoin will pump on the weekends. Bitcoin will pump after Asia closes, or it'll dump after the main sessions. So it's making it trickier for inexperienced traders to get their money, and then you have these silly guys on YouTube with trash technical analysis that they're just copying from other people on Twitter X, Instagram, YouTube. It just all regurgitated nonsense with trading methods that really aren't even good to use. So then you have people that are actually showing you where the buying volume is, and that's how you should be trading. People like myself, we're the little guys out here trying to be beacons of light, trying to save your money, save your bag, help you make educated decisions. But then you really can't compete with these big hype dogs, these hype clowns that are getting kickbacks, that are charging these fees because, in my opinion, they suck. They're not making money by trading. If they were making money by trading, they wouldn't be trying to sell you all these expensive courses and these expensive exclusive groups. Some of these guys want $700, $1,500 just to be part of their little silly trading group. It doesn't make sense. Me, if you join my trading group, I give you refunds. Well, I don't give it to you. The exchange that I use that I have a partnership with, they refund you portions of your trading fees. So if you're using big amounts of money, or you're trading, you're a very active trader, using futures especially, you're making more money by getting reimbursed portions of your trading fees than some guys are making because they're losing. You're winning trades and you're getting your fees back. That's a no-brainer. That's like a cashback credit card. You're getting paid to use the card. Anyway, I'll keep this video short and sweet. I just want to give a little technical analysis update. I'll end the video with the smaller time frame on the 15-minute. You can see that before Asian session opens up, we have an hour. Just on this 15-minute chart, we're on a higher low trajectory. I'll use the trend line to express that. You're on a higher low trajectory. That's plain and simple to see. So you want to keep this trajectory, and you definitely don't want to break this 56K area, which is a macro time frame support line. We know 56K had a huge weekly wick. I'm not going to go back and do it on this video. I'm trying to keep this video short and sweet. But 56K, that's a huge support. I don't want to see price really go below there. So we can maintain by the end of today's close. Tuesdays, once again, people that's in any Telegram groups that I'm in, Tuesdays are days for pullbacks. Since 2024 started, You know, you can go look at the data if you have time to do that type of work. But Tuesdays are days for not reversals. It doesn't have to be a reversal, but more than likely, there's a higher chance that Tuesdays are pullbacks. And what I've noticed is pumps will start on the weekend, and then they'll finally start pulling back on a Tuesday. So today, I wouldn't want to see a daily close. Let's see. I wouldn't want to see a daily close below, let's say 58K right here. I wouldn't want to see a close below that on a daily time frame. So we'll try to maintain this upward trajectory of higher lows on the 15-minute time frame. And then this area right here, this is an order block. This is a higher time frame order block. We're on the smaller time frame to see how we react. If you start seeing divergences on the smaller time frames, as we get into this higher time frame order block, you know, whatever indicators you use, this is the on balance volume indicator, the RSI, OBV, stochastic RSI, money flow, whatever you use, that will let you know price gets rejected. And also volume divergences. You see price going up, volume's going down. That means we could get another rejection and go back into this same range that I outlined before. You know, we could get pulled back down into the 50K area. So right now, if you're already in trades, if you played at 50K, if you played at 54 to 55K, kudos to you. You know, I hope you take profits, and I hope you stay winning. Peace.